If you want to edit a slow motion video on OPPO Reno 15, what you can do is you can go to the Photos app. Next, over here, we're gonna open our slow motion video, and we're gonna use this pen icon at the bottom of the screen. Next, once we start editing our video, we can tap on the change speed over here, and you should be able to adjust the speed manually over here. You can also go to curve in order to apply like a curve for the speed, so that some parts can be, for example, faster and some parts can be slower. Now, besides that, what you can also do is you can, for example, split your video into several parts. So let's say I'm gonna split over here, and then also, let's say over here. And now what I can do is I can select every of these parts individually, and I can adjust the speed for every single one of them. So I can, for example, make this part faster, and then this part can be slower. There we go. And then of course the next part can have a different speed as well. And of course we can press play if you want to see your results. And once you are done with editing your video, you can just use save in the upper right corner, just like that. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.